Michael Denhartog here again from Florida Drone Supply. And today we're talking about the Avata. We have got everything in stock now. We've got the Avata with the V2s, the Avata Pro combos are in stock. We've got the Fly More kits, and today we've got the traditional controller for those. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this guy up right here. Now, the traditional controller is gonna be more for those of you that have been flying FPV or quads for some time, as it's gonna have the double joysticks. You can control the back here. You can pull that out here. You'll see it has a little pin in the back. You pop this thing open, and then you can use the Allen key to adjust that and unlock the gimbal, so that way they don't have the spring loaded to them. So if you're an FPV pilot, you'll like that. If you're a traditional quadcopter pilot flying photography drones, you may want to leave the springs intact. It just depends on what you're used to. Now, it's going to have the double joysticks. It's going to have the little joysticks here in the side, just like typical DJI controllers. They'll have a little storage compartment. Screw those on. Get the other one here for you. And just like typical DJI aircraft, you're going to arm your quad by going down into the center. You're going to also have to pair the quad almost every single time you fly. You're going to do that by holding that power button, again, for the 5 seconds on the controller, and holding it for 5 seconds on the back of the aircraft battery right here. Once you've done that, you'll see that it pairs up, and you can fly just like you would your Mavic 2 or one of the DJI Inspire or Matrice aircraft. It's going to be exactly the same. Up and down your left stick, forward and aft on the right stick, and pan and left on the left stick as well. Any questions, give us a call at Florida Drone Supply, 855-8-DRONES. Or check us out on the web, floridadronesupply.com.